1. A. The dog is running in the path of the people. B. The people are picking up goods. C. The people are carrying a tree. D. The people are going outside. 2. A. The man is making a coffee. B. The man is pulling a towel. C. The man is drinking from a cup. D. The man is pouring a drink. 3. A. She looking at a flower. B. She buying some vegetable. C. She sitting on the flower. D. She picking up for a pot. 4. A. He's standing near the bushes. B. He's repairing a machine. C. He's cutting down a branch. D. He's fixing his car.